station na no ma park car PBS station na no address e wo ani dem anya dia on be ma o fan fra na wo de o car na rumpu ana wa koye bibi ho
I see
driver di no tu ni car boys na be dem no mo buru car ni mu se anya dia on be ma de kwan no de car na pie o kwan ni ho ene ne ko so ha so no
edi clearly no drivers na nkasa kra no mu nyina adwene nyepe
ebinom omo adwene nyepe Ghana dia so se ebinom wo ha won ma ka so omo nye adwuma no ebinom so be ye adwuma anya ba akofo na kom de no wi ase obi wo ha sa ne o ma no no wankwa adwuma ha no obi so a wankwa adwuma e be ha no anu ti no ana address e ne wo hwe ma ko so a ebinom ti ko lo di fi be ba ko lo di fi be ba wudu wo wa na se ni wa nkwa de a ene de ne be si bia no omo de block de gu ani omo ma wo ko mbe buru ka atu mu akopim se we driver no mbe chu asi abonten na we yi pass years na de agu ho
na mahu sabrantie bi eja na numu sa ono so o tu kwan ni bia na tie bi eja na numu sa se asem ne nwanwa o ze sanyo ono so tu kwan ni bi
wonu nyina ya kwa sufu ene wonu me kwa na mbe driver for enye adwumanti enye ade a obi a etumi ko ba na ha de ko fu ha no bi mia boys no ma fu ka no na je so mo de ka na eti wo mo ho ha anya se omo be mo obi a de ka ya adwuma wa ha no etu be na boys na fu ka no mo no mo di chi no mo fo bo mo gba be pi no di speed abesin anya so mo se wo ya driver na utu ka omo de ka bi se wa ba be try wa nem e ma wo nko ara bibi akwa ko ye me wo se Ghana Police Service, police car no, but one man na man also boys na dey almost see omo mani enya dey address near course na form ho from.
Enti o idea as when sa almost strike be kwa wiye during the day.
When ya some man dey binu mo kan say wa ya adwin so be pack up for akọ do betimi akọ but anime say o pon na we nya ka ma bie bia na say lo enye obi na esuma wo se ko na dodo na address enne na omo ye binu ma address 1 week na wo se nko omo ye no na binu mo so che ne say enne ya na omo ye sa demonstration na free na copy se na ni mu ade anya de omo so omo be maka kwan na atumi atu e wo ha na don't see say de omo kan de mi nya ne ye bia address omo ye enne pe address enne copy se nyumre omo so se copy na nyumre na say free work on aban na atumi anye bibi dia and omo de be 1 week and be si we atumi aye na no ama aban na hu se na ekoso no enya ade address wo manage ho na fuel prices na ade ekeka ho no ye tumi apese so na atumi aboa ama wonum so ho han wo se enioma enko yi mfa ama wonum driver for no
enti sisi a omo gyina ha omo nya car enko adwuma no ebi ni mo asesa omo adwene se omo kofie ana omo be nante ne ayi
really awa wo close awa we are very close to your workplace ne de utumi nante ko ana omo so omo si se ebi a wo ti baby to say no wa ye adwuma wa sama ne ade no who say ye ma ye omo aba ne ye meme ye omo nse Android phones ne ade nti uba ne ade obo wa so obi a order phone na order uba na aba before mo ba ye wo hwe empanyimfo mewafo ne ade ne dia ebinu gyina ha ma na omo ham ana mo so mo mefa na ye nko ana mo so mo nyese ana mo so kasa na omo kasa gata oba kasa no so omo kasa ne na dia ga ma for no ma so omo ne no ana omo ye wa ha
enti se wo hwe na usisi mu odin na ona mu odin dia utimi de to form ti se bia wo firi no ngua na wo kwa adwuma wo spinters ana wo kwa adwuma wo ofra hompo say lashibini those areas they obetimi anante na iwo mu say wo firi no ngua e koma dina de age say o twa wo bra no akoda
enu bi ti sa no say omo kwa akiri ne de omo aya adwin say wa obetimi afa uba na wafa wo so a wo ntimi no wo kwa bicycle na odeko but apart from that ne de wo ma kwa akiri taxi any trotro ne ade ne de obi a e wa ha bia inner city and I say within the crew one and we who say taxes no one be but apart from no dear and yeah church on there two and address will be and will beat him now is ya there may also be cry na there cannot be baby and no the bible ball can and ya don't know about thing and the wow quite say the I just say uber now there when the almost they few because if you say you'll be private but apart from that no church taxi there they are dropping but generally
nyabotra nsama hu se MC ode ne nsa so ne sisi kire se minim na phone tan na so no oye call bi ana se no oye de an
MC ne ba ye no MC no na me gidi se oye call ba specific person Now all from more any of my casane dear, and it means to me there. Yet may try and thank coming in to the back, but for see said the situation I know, and yeah, the address Obetia Casa, he said the way are. Now, boys, no air, can't be grabbed, no master blocks the way you almost look at me, sleep at me, a driver, and every kind of no. Now, said the new man personal, or see won't link Casa. And the empty in the Anapano Biano, and yeah, you to me, any Bia Casa, which now. Phone not I and so on to some extent. Nungwa police commander, reference Abraham Afutini, or also by any Nancy and about the crew, but then, yeah, one of the 3 years, but as of now, I'm an old Catano. Police reinforcement in Moaha. I just almost for air bar, I just who's someone and I'm with one now, we are best in our best. But then, Obama quiet here.
Inja MCU rabote obeye ya owo ye banchi ana ne brode na ose kire ya manga wakopa no office ya atena
yeah for now the an car sini there me won a car this game they are with two go different side they are fine but baby am gina nkasa na MC ni gina ha ana nka wo ye course ahodo afre no dey ti ano enya dia ne car no etimi esi address who any demo dia street no pen e wa ha police for the bopan ye bibia but MC ni dey so far. I
see. Eti abuja for mumra Facebook ni YouTube mra mehwe abrantie ba ko gyan hwe se de we ja na numu nu a utumi sa asem na ye ne nwanwa papa ade wante ho asem oduru ha na ohun se adroba for ne so munya adwuma ne se ni wabie na numu no me kura me nwanwa Oma nshada amohu dawuru wo hu Isa se oma nshada amohu dawuru I see. And try her. Abuja for bra YouTube any Facebook I can kind 93.3 FM abranche ni hwie na no mu no me am nwanwa eh asa dia asem ne ye nwanwa oh my goodness enti momra me hwe bia na trotro nya adwuma taxi nya adwuma ka bia nya adwuma won kran kumase ye firi hwa ebekọ ho ni akọhwe de ekoso wo kumase enso so enti video na eroli ewo mo screen no so no eye crow anase nungwa ehon so situation no said ye tie e na brantie ke dani di mu amane maye no ene adroba fo so mo nya adwuma dani wanya bi dani wanya bi ana okay aha inti ya monitor
so why wouldn't him say can you
wasin hano ka ni hwa wani tua o sen bebisa no eti o dey try dey bisa bi mu say omo kwa adwuma na omo kɔ fie
madam pato adwuma no kɔ na se
sakuma no de se ni sisi mu odin ko ade a problem bi ani ho I see enti yeah dia be ni say koso afo ani di akire e wo ye 12 news nu mu no ye be ba na di mu amane asan to aso amaye
MP no asaba but say on ye be kasani MP na asaba
okay owura abote aso aye hia no pay yate enti koso afo ani di akire se de me kan ne be san ba why okay enti abrantie ke dani ye amane bofo a obutu enkran ena ode ho amane bo no se de ekọ ede amayen ene adroba for trotro drivers any commercial drivers fo ni nyina da omo kire se omo nya adwuma sit down strike asemi omo sha ase no na eye binom so mu di agro ba bia duro no Ebenezer osi ba bia fuel prices ne di abeduro no enti eno so ho amanebo ene eguso a ye de mama no still live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM Felix and Factual eye Maakye me ofre me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo na anopai wa you can imagine ye wia soja no ye wia soja ne dendenti ene enaje mo frɛ fire service for ye wia soja ne den akom no aba ne akom no aba abrantie bi sɛ akom na ba beto ani so okay 41 minutes after 8 yɛda so a obronya mu a ye di bronya no a na bronya yi a yeguso a ye build ne app nkakra ɛna taxi drivers nso so ɛne trotro drivers ɛyɛ sɛ wɔn nya adwuma yi but yɛbɛba ɔdan ha nso ne abɛhwɛ sɛ ɔdan ha nso so saa na situation ne teɛ ana aha no mo deɛ ɔmo yɛ adwuma a ɔmo nti si odogo bi mpo enu abɛ ebi nso ano ɔmo yɛ me members me members ni nyina yɛ frɛ yɛn abi na ata na awa ata na abi na awafo no enti yɛbɛba ɔdan ha ne abɛhwɛ sɛ adɔbafoɔ na wa ha no ɔmo yɛ me church members ana ɔmo so adjoin ne ɔmo yɛ demonstration ene anopa yi ma yɛnkɔ ahoma no so na yɛne Frank J Money ɛnkɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ ne kora driverfoɔ yi no ɔmo tie atwea yi afutuo na ɛkɔ he Frank wotimi nka anopa yi ma mo akye umpo mbɔkɔ deɛ Frank wotimi nka apo mbɔkɔ yɛde awurade ase ɛna driverfoɔ a yɛtu amofoɔ yi no ɔmo so ɔmo nkɔ adwuma yi enti afutuo yi yɛyɛ ne de ni I see. Okay.
Toyota Corolla okay then after time in ya e be gina fa kon ezu fa on kom ma into time morning ko ho ene e do ada o so ya no pa no whether uchi private or uchi commercial e wo senka na o chi bia o be tase fo fra unya bo na take o ties 4 ni nyina hu se ni nyina gina bia te sen ena na no ye ka se o time no o hwe na te enchen na ehia o the time na o say ni na ehi pepe surface ni na ehi pepe but bu ho time no one side in here obi so abo tenchen na ehi na mfimfin ni here eno na ne ye che se o ye driver na so hu so tie no enchen na ehi pa mfimfin ni ehi a etra o se enframadodo a e wo ta tie ni mu no e wo fom nti uchi fa so koba nyina no ano enchen pe ene timiti fom na mfimfin na mo akom eno na ma tie no enchen ehi no ena afi se mfimfin ni nko anso na ehi wabra nchen ni bia na no so tese enframadodo a wotai ni mu no edoso sen ni abroni ni ye se yemfangu no aha enti obi o wa o driver ni okọ organizer why no so de car na koti wo organizer no so tax ben o use so e dia pompe car no ebi mo say saloon car de ni na ye pompe no 40 enye sa na tie se wo tax a e de pompe se car no abegina wo no ebi o kwa saloon car ba ni time na tax no so Nina no organizers so national road safety ba be organize program ye debate training organizers so because you say tie no dodo na me pai wo kwam bia na informado do a woman bia na e bro ne so nipa kra so didi na o me bibiri a on say na wo tete aha enti the tie no from mane bro so a eno so timi the accident ba enti organizers so ye do mafam na o ye driver ni so a also yet the welcome apa in KFM so they move 2022 say back a day program before drivers are you better and in KFM so I catch them now your driver will be register yeah no board the day bia you be crave near the asset on your man be na pay on sa what me aka kai 10 yen in your ma so ye wo kwan so nema e kwan so jo we ni ne and KFM na be collaborate na ya ye e dia ma adaba fo nyina enja no pay ya na me man
ye da se papa enti bibia ni e besan aba Frank J Money a road safety campaigner and ye ne kotwetwe enkomo wati afo mu yentie na yemfa mo ye ho bra 45 minutes after 8 live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM and it is situation no san ye sitie won kran no e na yegu so adi mu ama ne bone de mam no adraba fo ne kire se ne omo nya adwuma ni nyina e ye kire omo ye e de a kire aban no san se fuel prices no se de e kosoro no enye na mpani se wo yem ye oya na wa amfe wo se a wa hweye na ye de ohwempo duro de kwakotare e ya ranta so a enye eni ti anopai no omo ye oye kire kese pa na report coming from La Paz and so kire say obi be say the value is the same e wo hono mo o call La Paz a hon so the value is the same ya hwase abekwa asante mantem emu na yakoye say the situation no esi etie ewo eho enomo na yewia yaba yankasa ye odan ha ni abehwe odan ha nso so sen na situation etie odanfo omo de omo si abi na ata na wa ana omo so eye demonstration no ebi enti yebehwe na yakọ omo ho nso so na ye de eho de no so e de atoa so amamo Abdul Malik SP anope mi ma good morning ye de nyame se wa recover ye de yeguso here recover kakra se eye ayibi na ewuo se papu sa boba sa no anaje se akwa bi ewu se woni mse nipa no oboni din e wa wasem a nti ye nyina ye ho beto yen kakra all right ma memfa we message we fa ntwam emfa emamo na yenkoye ni mepa cho nso so betimi e de o message ne de aba obetimi de wo nso message e de aba fafa 0594 841044 we si ahenka na fam in fact mo badwuma papa in fact mo badwuma Maakye no credit through eye super duper na me enjoy show no me wo office you na so me ye piece hyemaso e na Obuoba ma fili a me ni honorable Daniel Anim e na ye team e wo Consolidated Bank Ghana yadamase semuti yen we nse ahenkan all right yabo a praying said free abenase and on zubisa sa question ye be ya no de ma wo ho and we nse Obuoba megiri so ho ye nyame hira opa na adwuma wo bo ma me kwa wo ma no so ne ni Obofo Michael ono wasante mantem emu ne ne twetwe enkomo Obofo anope wotime nka apomboko great inti asante mantem na himfa na wubutu sisi yayi I see. Ya konkran akodi nkomo kakra wo ho. Drivers na me nyane ntie se no mo nya adwuma. E ho so se netie.
Yo minia me da se de eye etefo nyen nse da se isri empra anase emeka kwani na yenyanam abrabafo enam omo to kaisa ya tutum eni omo ka ho ne ma ne bo ekoso ntinu omo e de adesede se aban ne mpanyimfo senka omo enye lolu fe hu bibi e ma wo mu free emena mpanyimfo anansa abrabafo no eye se mpanyimfo nso lolu fe mu ma wo no mpanyimfo no enya aye tumasibe bia ma wo nti enedai ena omo embra omo edin kan share no omo echisensan ena ene omo sese omo enya adwuma wo eye Ghana fa na ha no nyina na edema ayepenifo hu se de omo ensunu omo na mpenifo nso atinye ti omo sufre na udo ni tem e wa asante mantem ha no mo dia adobofo no bebre na ka enya adwuma omo mo adwuma no esa nti amanfo ba so fa ewo emiamia ahodo a omo amukọ adwuma nyina fa ndebe na ebetumi ayele enam se ye so nsem no ya gba pro kumase enene kwa du bebre na ala o du be na nipa abaso o no omo ehyense ka beba na omo de akọ omo nyuma so enso so bebre enso ye adwuma mum na enso omo a awoso mo ye adwuma no enye enough se omo betumi petumi nyina betumi enyaka ya omo nyuma so enti traffic di edi kumase kra anase nipa traffic na uba kumase a wo se edi ewo kumase ni patem kana ma Saturn, ebi eso ekoso ewo asante mantem ha na.
Okay, inti ye call enkran no ne aye reporters di free ho ba ye kire se say tro drivers ni hu say taxi driver ana obi foforo kra na adwen say oye adwuma na omo ha na adwen kumase de ne de pe de wo kan na chese ente sa ebi mo ye
Nipa so ente sa ebi mu eye na enyo mu na so na wo sa union na so mu nya adwuma ni jama so obi ye adwuma huntini represent so o ma no nya adwuma nkejuma di ebi mu ye nanso dodo na enya ama nipa dodo na emenya ka enkom
na omo ye no enye fu okro ye bi no moto
nipa so fu okro ye bi na omoto mini ebi di nkomo omo chema omo mpanyimfo eye Ghana coordinating world council for na aso omo se omo enya adwuma so omo wo sa economy omo de o se omo eye adwuma omo mpanyimfo no ene no magi nkomo ntino omo twinchi omo mpanyimfo no anu nwofo na DPLC ni eye ogo na aka ne ke omo nso ewo strike ni ma omo mpanyimfo nyina aso omo se mo enye adwuma.
I see. Enti obofo koso afo ani di akire awia bremu yebesa ba na de amane ne aka to aso amayen. Okay, enti obofo Michael ono nso so ewa Asante Mantemu Agenkwa FM na obutu na ono nso so de amane bono ne ekoso ho no de abreyen. Sada medi kan kan ye no yebekọ na ye ne GPRTU mpanimfo no bi so abonkomo ye wi a na yakọ odan na ehọ nso so dia ekoso no ye de report no e de afiri ho de aba GPRTU for omo ka ho bi ana se omo nka ho bi ye behwe na ye ne mpanimfo no abonkomo ho no mo ni nyina da ye tro drivers ye kama obi ate ase a tro drivers no mo kire se ene omo nya adwuma sanso so na GPRTU for so ye tete so omo so ka ho bi eni ti ye be kọ na ye ne omo kasamanfo owura Abbas Ibrahim Moro akotwetwe nkomo bisa ne se no kura bi wo mu saa na omo strike no omo ye for how long the ba bonte a ye hu ye de omo say ye indefinite na just omo say da nim when they will suspend it enti ye hwe say ye nsa be ka opani no ne na bon nkomo de afa saa ensem no so eho so this is what is actually happening ACCC na edi mu amane body mama no don't forget se wo kan hinkan maache ho a ye fearless and factual dia ACCA na ye de ebremo ye kan se de tie no a ye nsuro nipa maka kire wo so nipa da sani a wo 6 feet na wo de be kọ ne de enwo se misuro da but e wose ye di obuo e de ma nipa nti ya no ate ase de amame so ate ase thank you ofra me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo enkofo adwen kire omde aba na yankenka bi mfa nka ho udi enyamba ya obetimi e de aka ho aba we se Obuoba anope mu achi nyame nhira wo ne adwuma pa a wo ye de ma oman Ghana ye from a bright wheezy koso abo adwuma efama oman Ghana animu adehye enyina fei omo wo achim ne importem nso so yesire nyankopon se onkoso a na onhira mu nyina. All right, so I've seen another messages in so ha mame emfa no nso nka ho emamo we say hey na dia na watch on tin sa no I'll try and read it in English. Said the watch say hello, I've lived around Salvation Army School and I wish to draw your attention on some things happening there which I think isn't the best. JHS 3 pupils who just completed BEC this year were made to pay an amount of 20 cedis which was termed as invigilators fee. What annoyed me was that they were told not to inform their parents or anybody. Is GES or WAEC now collecting monies from peoples to pay its invigilators, or is just a way for the authority to milk the peoples of money? Moreover, is the peoples are not to inform their parents how blah 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 blah. So it's quite a lengthy message. Or a concerned citizen. It is good issues of this sort, no. Munina more expressive, more thanks so much for that information. So we will work around it and see whether we can do something about it. Why? All right. And now eja kwesi enso di free asama kese. Eja kwesi di ono ba be ye politics ya no pay. Odo politics fa ha waso be hye pa because no politics no ene yaso yasi ho a ye ya asem foforo. Nti eja kwesi nonetheless thanks for coming through with that message. I've seen a lot of messages omodi aba but ni nyina they are talking about their usual politicking and me te ha no pay. Sa omo politics ne ho emfa me ho NDC MPP omo politics no anopay I am not ready to talk about it. Yensu ho GPRT mpanimfo no omo chechira ka taxi drivers ne ene omo so mo nya adwuma nkrofo aye stranded no. These are the pressing issues we need to draw the attention of the leaders we have voted, the leaders we have given power to. No, these are the things collectively no coming together to draw the attention to that. Not your usual politics where baby say kwabana maza monya study na baby e pese de Ghana kono Ghana baby e pese de kono mo NDC ni mo MPP politics no mo dia mo ye ne blindly. You follow politics blindly. NDC ni de oye ne den ye NDC MPP no ye ne den MPP ene omo edi traffic mu omo looking stranded. And when issues like this, Esha say bana o kan wasem a obi to one no de ne NDC ne MPP atade na se o kan ade atere no ofo say bia udi na tem and I say you are making the party unpopular. Listen, enkrofo no ene omho akire wo mo a wo nya ka emfa nkwa adwuma no MPP fuo wom NDC fuo wom and it say ye asem ba ne ye ka na mo de tete wo de ye mo MPP ni mo NDC no a aya na ya dwene mo ho ane ye ntem ase me nim which part of Ghana na mumu firi so what you say ene I taxi drivers ne total drivers yi so mo nya adwuma yi enye MPP fo nkwa no mo ho akire wo mu enye NDC fo nkwa no mo ho akire wo mu MPP NDC se woni ka nko ade a wo ho akire wo unika wo ho akire wo na me ka me nkokra nka we nka ntamu a na wotwe mu nyina na asem ne hyase na ye di nkomo about ekwan ben ye be fa so a oman Ghana no ye be push o man na mana konanim devoid of NDC ni MPP. I am not saying NDC ni MPP ni entumi nye ebe ye eno de oya den ya you can't do away with it because ye major political parties ye Ghana ha ye MPP ni NDC but ye MPP ni NDC now we shouldn't do it blindly. Now fuel prices be pimone finance minister ko ready economic policy ewo parliament wankasa mfa ho fuel no wankasa mfa ho ene se ne esunsun so aba no yenkwa wo man so na yenkonkobo nkomo yene kasamafo okay wa mana fumani so yene president edema enye fuel ho asem ne yekoka ente sa enti you should have informed me enti yenkonkobo enkomo fanfa teacher fo no na yenko yenganim yera Isaac Ofori president edema all teachers alliance Ghana yera what yenka no pema mo achi aba yenka FM so
sure meton kapa
bibia boko de ye de radio ase na yenya ne tiese mo de nsem bia ba beto emonten so adan nat ne na grat ne CCT so wa hwan no mo nka ho bi
Dabi Labor Act 2003 gives that the power to be a year 2, a year 3, go to my form union, opportunity. And all teachers alliance Ghana. Ya from the embracing with all the embracing plus labor department. No, yes, I can labor union status. The labor union.
I see.
Apart from that, Naga CCT, opportunity.
Tiopa, with you.
Here's why I'm being there. I did a lot of teacher from one. They will go and call 3 teacher unions and leave the rest and pretend as if we are not recognized. Opportunity.
Me too, pa.
Anyone friend he be, anyone friend he be. But you're checking them who does not walk over your members now. Who the Yamakura may be a woman. Say, I'm cussing yet in why, but you is one. And you raise the concern, the other question, they start the fusion, Yamabim, Koyi. Because price of the laptop, name some more cover laptop on the scene. In the charge for would delay one case. All of a sudden, they open a store. they have indicated that they want to deduct 509 from our salary. May I say that we didn't trauma, Niman Fire, and I that's some local court. There, until there, what I tell you, maybe without saying,
Mr. Isaac, what in BB? Me pese en common a ye die no ho. Obia ni di achire from the word go. And it yen sha se say. De be important na asi.
Iti asema esi there. Abani want to share one laptop na the brain. Ya show me yen there. In some year or wo ho anan nzema kro bi wo ma wentwe yi ana wanko yi. Especially pricing of the laptop. And then especially laptop and ankasa ni su na ne ban. And it is the laptop is bread teachers. Na e ka kachira ba de laptop na de bread hen. E pere e type setting. But you tell me you. Ni e de prepare lesson notes. Ni e de should be laptop no or ya laptop papa ni. You laptop go do my graphic design and then yama kasa. In the specify 3 areas in my buy there. If a laptop about 2 wire typesetting, let's see note. That video laptop. If you compare near ya count the laptop on never shall price say any price in the corner. Analysis don't say 1,500 against specs in my body, you know. And okay, on credential. Memorandum of understanding GS ne teacher unions be 3 as a year. Teacher unions be 3 o ka as a year. O hwe memorandum of understanding na.
Entiase apam a omumienu. Ekoko san ye no.
Ye nko san ye no.
Na de na na ewom.
Ensema ya ka na memorandum no. Ya na all kodo no. Aba sama laptop no obetiche nkankra. In the pace of 2 years. O teacher na wato. Now, initially, when I know about 12 fee and pay, opportunity. Over 12 fee and pay, no what so no better over 6 months can in Philippines. All of a sudden, what target in professional allowance over 12 fee. Now, okay, some more. The laptop owns and some are yaking. If you want to be and a teacher unions binum, now, okay, we hear mistake. Mistake all year in there. Say per laptop teacher for you answer can forever. I'll say a quite strong proposal for. Now you come back to us and come and tell us say, yeah, you have been a HP machines brown. I buy say over for them, and for them. Name for their machines, no machines or jam brand now. You put to me use that when you have boom. Because you're gonna have already machines there. You know one child. Into your institution, your precedence or your precedence or hormone or guide the distribution of laptops or my ma. You be about now one year.
Okay.
There was a new one. You make sure the new one I was able. Why a laptop at least will teach you bring a confidence woman there. Them laptop it will come to 8-hour work, not for only 1 year, not for only 2 years. But as it will be in our hands for a very long time. I see.
Maybe some question we answer na ya make progress on this issue. One, what me anya ntia say entiasia pam na GES any teacher unions, right? The teacher unions be answer me here kan. Etimi kan. You're Isaac. Network. So etimi kan now. Good. The question is, teacher unions, any GES, teacher unions, teacher
unions,
teacher unions, bang, so many now within. Nagrat.
No boys are out on small.
Nat Nagrat CCT. Ena ekoko jina teacher phone nyina name ko ka kire GS say omo per laptop. Na me ba omo be consult omo be bisa mo teacher phone say mu hia laptop ana mu hia omo be bisa mo.
union I say oh yeah brofo you respect teacher for and I say a doctor sir by now with the notification what come obia from no one translate what the IT guys to analyze the answers and that being I call a negotiation also what a 10 minutes in office or a minute day even the coronavirus happens laptops I can have made a type setting you have made a let you know never made a video what is the matter
enti one oma me consult mo but oma be ya mo mpanimfo ne de na by and large no omo enim ne hia mo and oma ko ka kire mpanimfo se mu hia laptop and I go through the process ni nyina now laptop na abedru aba teacher for nsem
ya 28,000 out of 250,000 ya brage on ya 28,000
o enti me no ka se won sa kan de wa ho
me mankwaji bibia
na so one kwaji a 509 Ghana cedi 55 pesos and you better
after the court action you will hear more don't worry say look on them
ade dia me dia mentias you minim say mentias na wa chiri dia
asamene wo court ya catch the court say kwanya ya fa so ade that is can ntwe because I don't know what to change we what that now what to charge you now did that teacher from Whisker
na someone so matena sia ye nhwe ha che dodo ana
hello
me say what me kan say obi ka se matena sia ye nhwe ha dodo a say nipa no onye right
teacher unions B3 and Ghana for sorry what you own na wo gbogbo won din own na wo short 10 teachers for because wo kokore negotiation negotiation how you say that will be distributed over 2 years because of laptop and it will take 2 years for laptop to be distributed. It is a idea. Do it by region, and I'm
Mitio.
Maybe the next month there was central region. We will distribute for the central region. Then teachers will know, say, once they come to your region, then they will deduct you. A man is out. Laptop will be a production. 28,000 penny a year. They did that to Obia, including watchmen. Obia occupancy, they did that. Or laptop in a guiding.
And dia me can say, I didn't air build it up in munim. One.
Oh, yeah, the coach right. Yeah, the coach right.
And I should just saying.
Yeah, the coach right. The reason why I call court is that I put it in my ass. There are some your truck come out GES said the moment notification of sending them to court. Only reply they gave to us. And we should bring the names of our members. If you don't like, they will take their name out. With all disrespect.
I see. All right. Into the what's it move court into no? Yeah. Will court that. Okay. Into young person, you be committee contempt of court no. I see. Already the 509.55 pesos and there almost temo.
Oh, yes, including watchmen.
Now watchman do the laptop or the heading.
Countrywomen, what we now. It was a memo and the Oje Akufo to buy President Akufo to buy State of Nation address. I say the laptop is given to 280,000 tickets.
Yeah, TBB, sir.
Yeah. What's your proposal? Original proposal, I had to call Minister, 350,000 teachers, they take it. Meanwhile, got the footage of you do 350,000. In the 350,000, the college said we had the non-teaching staff in our Shemibi. But
me too, pa.
This is the extent the teacher unions have gone to do things. This is the extent. And the question is there, for what purpose? They think that at all costs we need laptop. Fine, and it's a good idea. Then you are bringing us a laptop and your laptop or a notebook. Old Pentium 1. You creating a laptop. If you have a Pentium 1, want to find graphic designing. Laptop then. Who to find graphic designing? Who question yes? What the application because we are near there. Who to find it because
I see.
There's over a laptop toy like laptop toy. No, in the midst of what?
Okay. Enti said your moka some the court and hear what will come out from a court hall. Na yemramedi and komobium ewum. Why? Enti ma yana senior fancy ha. Okay, enti yane Isaac Ofori ono president de ma All Teachers Alliance Ghana. And I no kwatwe en komono. Ayasemu. Ayasem papa. A teacher for our Ghana happy bri noa ka hu bi na ne ekoso nyina ekoso. Ye yamade ne nsɛmtwerɛfo ba mo nkyɛn mo nka nkyerɛ yɛn na mo bɔ mo motuom sɛ akwada a wakyɛ na de a wasen srɛ no so wo ma wo. Ɛne mo ne. Mo atena ho ama ade na build ya ha bi aba beduro. Munya hu hwe. Mo salary na nkasa ne ye beje afiri mo nsɛm. So de mo ntena hɔ. Ade e ha mo. Na ne ya ne sɛ a teacher for na nkasa no dia o Masa Omo ankasa o. Omo ye omo ho dia own enemies. And omo de ti GS ne hwan animu. A teacher for no ankasa. Ene mo ne 12 minutes after 9 live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Kindness and so mame. Say dwumadie yi live e we yen social media handles ni nyina. Obetumi akɔ na wakakɔhwɛ bi www.ahinkanfmonline.com. My tune in modern Ghana. Ye hwie gu hɔ no mo obetumi atie bi Zenu radio app. Sanso so na Ghana Waves nso so ye wo ho enomo yenko na ye ne Yera Abbas Ibrahim Moro enkonkotwetwe enkomo Yera otie enka no pay. Salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you. Mo sit down strike ya mo kan ho asem ne feel say mo di agro ene akoso GPRTU mo kan ho bi. Centers a yakɔ nyina no pay one crying. Yehu sɛ adwuma nkoso. Daben na mo be suspend mo strike yi.
Say no pay ya suspended. President na nkasa apamu. And they say ya or the other transit until you are suspended.
President Bena or the ho agimu no.
President Ben Ghana.
I thought say you talking about GPRTU president.
No. The president of the land.
Oh, okay. Nanado Dankwe Kufuado. Oh, that's good. That's good. Edi also all be munti munyae mo strike no on.
Na ayai wo onye na no. Ayai oni ya betrance. O my out here. Ayai oni ya betrance na yaka wa say ya sem na amaye. Enti I can't hear your microphone, so I'm going to call off the strike now.
Oh, I see.
I didn't know yet to say a social Nesaka Nipa. Well, that you have some free adage that at times advice or baby doesn't change person unless it goes through the test. And the Obia Ghana, Obia who say, yeah, to me, organize strike my year to my that alone is enough because time behind I can say, get driver for then I first call to national development. Now, Munjindi and then Obia Husampa, then I first call to national development. Yeah, quite Juma, Obia to me quite Juma. They organize this strike here, strike now to me, yeah, come on, Bia. Ampa strike na ye juma ya call no off next time assembly pass na ye kan ye me say aban bia ampenyefo no ometi ya asem.
I see. Enti sisi ade nyawo ka kosi ni say ma suspend this strike no o ma sha se o mo ye adwuma. Enti how sure na mo ye say o mampani de ne ho agimin de amohwehwe mo nsa beka.
So we be transfer kra say no ma.
Obi betwa ntorokra nya omampani sa
yakona ontomen sobu maya because I don't know the anya only commercial drivers no benya ho fa so biara wo top petrol bia wo so fa so no benya bi And say a corner year, my and year, we can't hide it. You have to come out and say it. And say this is Aquaba.
Oh, I see. And see, osi ewia momra no ne momon komo. Won. I see. Anyway, there we would want to wish you well. You be san ba na ne be ba bonten so woni etiefo ache. Okay, enti Yera Abbas Ibrahim Moru and yene ne kotwetwe enkomo no kasama for the ma GPRTU. O se omampani hwe de enieme kono a as we speak no omampani won tu kwan Ghana. So on one kasa say for 1 month we a minister, we a deputy minister on to mean tu kwan. Into on one kasa so wa ha. Enti ebe na nkrofo bu ye no kuro no se mu ode. Omo se wo shen kom se de. O shen kom se kuro mu a wo so tim bi. Nti ono so tim bi. On call baby a. And what didn't want Jim say, Debbie. GPRTU for any other people. No more sure quite ambefaswa. Mobile resolve this issue. Into your penny didn't want Jim. My penny didn't want Jim. Yanko na ne bafo. Also enkonkobo enkomo kwesi bafo. Eya hinkaya mane bofo. Ujina achim odan. Kwesi fa potina ujina. Ujina old station.
Sure.
Okay, nti my situation is any atie wo ho.
Sani amane born tie no nkan fo ase ase yes demonstration and yes anet e wo atimda ha no mese. Kasu ukuru ma yes strike na nkoso ha no mo. The bad station and most station no mo abo sani ade biara da e bobe na ta no esisi sia no mo bebre afa e kwan so no baby biara ka afa biara no ka so me do so e wo kwan no so di nya dia strike koso ha no say cars na bi ko na bi ba sa metika ma me be free baby from no mo I think brono ba ku bi so ba before government hospital no e de ba basic station no na traffic wo kwan so sa estate mo no if you estate mo no e de ba station no say the traffic wo kwan so sa cars na do so and my phobia omugina baby omupeka because enya dia strike na koso hanom ntimi a ade cars ne doso they say no station baby a car na bia hu se ejina no mo a baby a cars ne fa pie kra no aje se binumu dan no mo kakra nsa na kwan kakra dem mo matimi afa ma pia besia ko mo lodu ma na ayema no station ade cars wa.
Yes, achim odan ne potem de omo ye me church members omo se amanga adwen omo dwen. Oh, I see. So omo de omo kwa adwuma.
Oh, driver ni na wadun. And then driver bia no
okay.
Me ba na me driver ba ku driver me tini ka me ni di ngoma na o tse ya bi no pe omo aye bi ta le say adan na ono ye strike na ono ne ka wo no say no nya de o yes strike and say nkan for any massive what jatu ma wo mo ye no it is one kwa adwuma ni we na na wo for kwa adwuma na wo de one kwa adwuma na je say wo na wo mpese kwa adwuma enti I was am I had the strike in the
I see that's na se si ampokra na nya ne tie say o mampanyin e de ne ho agim ani nti o ma call it off strike no nti o de kosofo ani di akire bibie ni a premto breka se ebum na de amane bona ba okay enti kwasi bafo eye amane bofo achim odan station na wono so no obutu ode ho amane bode ba ne je se ne na meka no odan fo de omo nti so odogo bi nu abe omo abadwuma wadre kra. All right, so 20 minutes after 9 still live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM K. As in so limited the same country say a swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves, and our pa and a circular dabraka of Iran Clinic, Kanishi Flamingo Road, Zango Junction, where I will be who K. As in so limited frame was 0302 257209 and a 0302 919 739. Home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. K Asenso. Sanso and Frimpon Enterprise. Same in country where we team me and pay say. sɛ ɛyɛ hamper Christmas hamper ɛna wopɛ sɛ wohyehyɛ no kama ɛde ɛma ɔdɔfo bi Christmas yi mu a Frimpong Enterprise sɛ ɔbɛma wo hamper no ebi ɛwɔ ne hɔ ɛnom hamper no biribiara bi wɔ mu sɛ yɛ sadi sɛ yɛ sɛmina sɛ yɛ torch prango kura na wopɛ a wobɛnya bi wɔ ɛyɛ Frimpong Enterprise hɔ na wode agum kama de akoma onipa no Frimpong Enterprise sɛ yɛ kwan yɛ yira kwan ground floor Madarina Hotel ɛwɔ Akyem Ɔdan ɛna wobɛhunu yɛn frɛ yɛn wɔ 0244 8975 25 0206 4739 53 0242 111236 Frimpong Enterprise no majo so say adwuma wura yenko na yene yera Samuel Boateng or political scientist yene ne kotwetwe nkomo yera wote yenka no pay mamo achi aba henka na fam so umpo ko de nyame adom yenso ye ho ye pa na we de yegyina yen atifo ene yen team no anamu ada wasese ebri bia ye frɛ wa woge ye so woyɛ busy kra no a wonya brɛ ene yen ekasantie da se papa yo so no da se ne akonya mo de man se be da ni ama wa fishia panso good Endra na report ba bonten and I say directives from the seat of the government are all directed ministers and deputy ministers say omuntumi ntu kwan for bosumi ye di animi unless say a medical emergency and sana omubetumi akọ politically no eden na ekoso
politically abano ya is strategic ewo mejumadie ne nhyehyɛ ya ofisi obi di maximum for na sɛdeɛ yɛdi kan ka ho asɛm no abano ntumi ni dwuma abra na hyɛ de gafiefo enka ho enjidie na wɔtwe ya na wɔtwe nyeni abobo ho nam wɔtiefo ana yɛnam so de ato wɔtiefo anim no sɛ enioma nhyɛ dan kɔ ne yie mfama aban ne dwumadie mu titiro ne budget a yɛbɛyɛ approve ni adenti Ghana ni bia hwehwɛ center ministers ana soafo a yɛyi wɔ mu no nkɔmɔ bɛtena wɔ mu asom yɛdeɛ nanso bra no sɛ obi wɔ house wɔ jelly na ɔso wɔ farm na ɔne no akɔtena hɔ ya na yɛbisa sɛ ya na deɛ bɛ nko ana sɛ deɛ ɔmo kɔyɛ nti sa ban de communicate bi ba na sa system bi ba na ban no instruct ne ministers sɛ mu ntu kwan ka ya sempa but also nioma ekoso amamu adwumadie mu on the side of aban no otie tia no so ne opposition party na e minority no say parliament na say aban no as a government business no ya den kakra ma aban otie tia so nti fast strategic means bi a nti nioma mu ba ye den ye can to say budget ya approve ye no say na no ye de to otie fo ne nti ya dia tuma ne no ano no at that party through stages, a cooperation stage, and let's say away. If we are the committee stage, I can be a woman finance minister who will be here to come here, could be more baby, say government ministry, and our department to be an agency, you know. As I say, a bit slim, extra massive, a few for now, almost 2 months, and yet me, I must approve, and the Abana was wrong there. KGB so Asian numbers and politically as our band strategizing who you say and yet your constitution now a Kasafa article 78 section 1 now will be a minister no saying a Mashibejano a nano as a abano as a AI being kakranji a who be here say will be a minister na osaya mrashe bi brano anase busumi ebi eminde esa wotra mrashe bi defio na wo services and our numbers enwihiama aban nti bi hu ni se we de ayabana strategy or the mount amo no ano se be ya ne akon masika no de beto Ghana fo enu ye betia pass through all the stages ewo mrashe bi defio entisa ye konya minister bi a wasaye mrashe begani na government business nti watu kwa ko do da bi e bia na time yitia no committee level no na abana ko face loss and say ako face the different deficit in emwa minority no so some more can say omo de bi omo ye mo mu dwumadi bi omo de bi abra no bia no omo tina wo and they will always be there in their numbers and they are to the abandon so parliament here no obetime nya onfafo anasa onkofo bra no de bia na anasa de duru da bi no ebi so omo tukwa ebi say nti ene emfa hyedi ma say obi antimi ntukwan abra nti say da nya oba na amay official reason bia eno anso akanada nti ni say politically there ni say strategy aba na fa say obetimi aboa mo wanya numbers no wo mrahye de get yo say be ya budget na pass through various stages appropriation stage committee stage na so na yo mu hia numbers no ometimi nya no ometimi approve budget nti politically there aba na is so strategic say be ya parliament akoma no de koto mrahye de get
I see. And my final question, Amibisa, and it's not long ago, and at this same buying a day directive for the buy yana or say, almost share and a ministries, you know, Ubia and Toka and Fanco ministries in the department. I hold war. You say a minimum forfeit instructions, you know, yet to talk cars being in your be this directive, you know. How different and from the previous one on one can crow for flouty?
We know almost like this, mayor shows approved by on the side of money means without the parliament media too. Ain't none of the baby, you know. Abano also money so obey compromise on the side of minorities obey engage you more anti ebia yan can say that time no minority no edit to say enforce there anti me cause because amamu aban to me fesika bi ni bibia bra yan nim to mu ana say anti we ni de akoya de ehihia ye sika e say ye de bo mani nyina ho bra anti edu stage bi na bani hia number say the medical canon na wenya ebeye dey say ministry no ye betia approve sa budget na mo matini nye sika bi aspend we dey very crucial the ma ban na nka say we dey ono na ministry na suggest sika bi o mu behia e wa afeni o mu di na bi mu enti mo suggest ni bia e bia wo minister so ada no e so wo ho so that obetimi aboa add up to the numbers na yehwe no na enti me no be ya agile say the omubu directive nearby no omubu so no ebi omubu so ma wo bra na minority ne ready say omo so be dia to so okay aba the directive aba there enti ya dia to be so omo ya ba this time round there any issue aba between minority and majority na minority ne say omo so twaka e wo budget ni enti aba ne ye bibi ama aba no so ase I is or then the so-called majority in a come up as well. And then when you crucial, the only can to get into when is the way they have money if I did it. They are new budget beyond to my government ministries, government agencies, government departments, a bit when you study a year to an amount of and who be here that directive when Abani is so serious with it. No, the Basabaya. Will be able to be into crime within a month now. You will say Parliament entrance and common within a month in the near year. And that strategic means now buying a person of fun. Really, crucial demand. And Bakono, of which me on the side is a minority compromise. It media. Now, when it is as a banner with a minority in a word. And I didn't dear they are buying against a storm now. I said, dear, no opinion. Young Fay and America. Yank me engaging minority now. There be a could do say on Kayam Pesada by every other minister being so official assignment to get that war mining in a parliament in abandon the directive about on Famanti as a question or the city Quentia. Juma minister needing Odi war man and then so abandon say be a divinity a year on one political best known to abandon on one and another one until see a better budget not to be will be to consider. Obenya numbers in enti me no buy agent said you move so there minority ne compromise but the cost of budget me sure say majority na ready to compromise if you say Abana not just or engage you almost in a negotiation or in a consensus mood. Majority also be to know okay, I your mind today. And yes, you will track Abana the idea to media as I say, yes, you did the Abana can and when you are very crucial at the map by an opening.
Okay, yera ma yena se bibia ni ebesa ba bimu. Okay, nti yeni yera Samuel Boateng, political scientist, and yene twetwe enkomo no 31 minutes after 9, still live on Ahinkan 93.3 FM. Nyankopon ya domo a on the 25th of this month, yede eye Ahinkan walk e de hye so dendenden. Na ne ewo mu nie ebia na mo ya sorry. Muye ekuo bi keep fit clubs ne fan clubs ahodo no amwo wo no muye sorry whatever identifiable group bi a mo pepese mo ba be kan ye ho na ya nante abomu no momfrɛ na yemfa mo ntade ye nto ho ye frɛ bibi pre order momfrɛ na mo man the number no ne yema mo pre order no nto ho so what ya say nti number yi momfrɛ ne sisi a moye fan club, moye keep fit club, whatever club, ana a sorry school be any organization. It could be corporate body be. Mo pese mo be kan ye ho. Na ye nanti boom on the 25th no a. If I told me the number you to be a mo phrase si ana mo ma mo pre order. Mo ma mo pre order. Mo fa the number of mo members no. Emfa mayen na yen to me NCC mo chinto ho. Emfa ema mo nti number ni ye. 0244 87 8763 0244 878763 eno ne number wada Roma mo be frɛ na ya ne mu mo nkomo wa kire ho kama ansa na bre na so me pa chow eye 25th aka nafuwa ne kakra bi na eduru ho ene ti ya na ma hye ne so e di amame thank you enti mo frɛ sa number na yen ya wa abo ha ne be hye ase afiri abo ha monso so be miaya ya mo wo no ne yahu ba bi a monso be hye ase afi na etumi aboa yen pa mo frɛ sa number no na enema ntimi because afei on the 11th me dey di animi ya no ayade a ye de enwanyen adesua e de be hye so utie me be pese oba be sua bi a kwan da ho eye 50 Ghana series bra be fa forms no ye de animi di for the free kran ba ama o ma ba be kyerɛw sɛ de enye nwa enya so emfa so 50 Ghana series na emfa so bebre ena eko de ama wani nti ya na wa hye ne nso saa pepepe de amame ana obe frɛ 0244 878763 0244 878763 frɛ saa number no na enkomo bi aka wa kyerɛ ho ne yeni ne kama ifa to tiwe ma me yaba ye de ahinka na hiasɛm de toa so amamo enko ba bia ye ba
Ghana adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM.
Omambe nyankoso Ghana betum ponu. Chama. Omambe nyankoso Ghana betum ponu. Ababa. Gredon ta. Gredon ta. So the breaking news in the President of the Republic Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo wafre coalition of commercial drivers operators. Asram so asram. Omon call it off. Womo strike no. Omon so di obuo ama mampanyini. Oma call it off strike no. Mampani so momra no one munhia. Believe in say bibi papa bi betumi apie free enkomotwetwe no mu aba abonten. Na anopai before commercial drivers ekrampo nsem obeba so no na ye ni teacher unions ewa asem ka. Hwe enum na me boy no se wutie the lyrical content of it no a ubehunu say a patriotic song. Listen, media me frantumago mindia pre-pragra. If you live in a glass house, you don't throw stones. Sab a bebuone sa mobro wa fonsem kekano. Munya eka. Se obi bu faswa. Konanimu pam ka tell se masa ubu me faso. Na wotewa ere vifra de sa be basa no mamumu. Ye wo Ghana ha teacher unions edoso pa. But the engineer say you recognize your nat ne nagrat ne hwan abrante ne kan o ma bomrewa ne nkwakora. And inti no decisions bi o mo de ba bia ne in favor of members no. Omo ti ho se nkomo na ye twetwe ye no tie bia. Omo ti ho. And a teacher unions no. E sorry ye call GES for ho say. Omo empese adwuma ne be ye den de ama Ghana Education Service because Ghana Education Service I na say or the new curricular dey ba. So the new curricular dey ba dia. Say krampo no. Ye call technological world. And into no mo ma omo laptop. And as omo anka sampo kra ye laptop. E ho adwuma. Empanimfo ne mo awo mo tie o. Ghana Education Service ni Ministry of Education mo awo mo. Na omuntumi procure. And as at the time, listen, as at the time empanimfo miensa, and I'm going to mention their names. 3 teachers union, a lady and 2 men. Yawa Philippa Larson, Angel Kabonu, King Ali Audu. Omonomia president de man Nat Nagrat and CCT. And woman call Ministry of Education too. Call Ministry of Education as at the time na po and a wo. And omo ka kire na po say. Omo air per laptops. There's 280,000. E di ama omo teacher for. Enti omo de initiative we by omo friend say Ghana need laptops to teach. Enti omo call na po no as at the time omo call so somewhere 2020 tio 2020 so na abatuo ginam. Enti when the 3 teacher unions ne call you ko propose the man Ministry of Education say the omo peso omo ye nie no na Ministry of Education emwa wo mo na omo nsan tumi nka because procurement ne nyoma beba so enti omo kokoduru ho no na po bisa omo say I go through the process now na omo say oh omo your procurement there fine see her. So the government then saw the political fortunes out of the idea omo de buy no enti omo say then if the amount proposed the abanye na yeso so yebetimi anya political points bi the free mu dia any other na ban mfa ne ho nyimu say the government will support 70% and then the teacher unions will also bring in 30%. Enti na yenye ne to say a government initiative until nanse ya na onu mount opoku prempene 2 jama no ansa na ode no kra ne ba beto abonten ena makọ no ho ena mo say a teacher for 280,000 ebe hia sa laptops no laptops yi oba Ghana ha no mo a ye wo laptops bebre didi dwuma ye Toshiba ho ye wo ba ku ya me kokoto yi an ko mu ya bu mi afa so ni HD empo HP eno me koto mi ko mo ya bu mi afa so na me se hwe mo yare ni nyina bi ho na senka wo pe laptop a e de ama teacher ni ama ne de ya adwuma aboa no a Toshiba ni HP ho ha ye ko fa TMI se TM1 o ye ko fa TM1 na no kra de ba de wa hunu sa laptop ni bia bi da TM1 TM1 no according to omo abene wo computer mu no ye wo niam bebere wo no mu a e wo se ehu behia na nka omo de adi dwuma TM1 no yes software bebere wo krampa en support meaning na ho den wo fem e na makwakoto de aba na we na teacher unions ni bi ehwehwe mu no ano mo hunu say sa laptop no on the actual market kra nka wo kwa akoto a anka ba ko wato aye 370 Ghana was saying 400 Ghana cedis kra enru nanso a teacher fo no ye te wo mo 509 Ghana cedis 55 pesos na the so called almost support was abiding na dey bow say teacher unions na dey bow no mo dey asoso just who can nyina bo mu a almost ton ade no be say 1300 was saying laptop fun tantantan no makoto abere teacher for no a teacher for no this is a situation na hamo ye ba mo nchen mo ne yenkasa na mo bo mo motuam sa kwada wanya duane a yesere no afi ya no ye den mo ani abere enye ne mo behunu nie o let me tell you people something teacher unions na mo dwene ne mfaso ani so o tom na gratene na tene hwan ne mfaso ani so. And by the way, ekuo enya by force se chinchina adwani kuo. Enya by force se we teacher ni a chinchina adwani na grat ana adwani nat. Enya by force. Leaders no more horses here no. They are not seeking for the interest of their members. They are seeking for the interest of their own. And inti obiba baba ye president edema nat nagrat CCT any other unions na ubawun se nche na nafu nyina ye kese enche na tade kro tum enye ye memeti yar ma sisi a metum simple no o de ma men call sisi a afa metum a enye ye because the moment they get there they think about their own selfish parochial interests at the detriment of their members. Now nwanwa say you go to the teachers for them to voice out some of these bitter treatments being meted out on them, no, they will refuse. They won't talk. Oma said nurses. They will run away. And now you have come to us to say yanka bi mamo. Inti yanka mamo de yanka mamo. Ade na say wie. When the whole thing began, we call Ministry of Education ho. Emma Ministry of Education as at the time I kwakoto aba. Onu nsusu hunu say okay, adwene ya modi aba ise ya gitum. Na ye politics ye beboa yen. And into omo painting picture ne say omo ba beto 280,000 laptops. E dey am teacher for no. Some of us were thinking say ya buying initiative. Little did we know say it is not the government initiative, rather the teacher unions who went to the government and made those proposals proposals there no. E dey ma wo mo. Na mo tete ho. Na afeya ya tete mu awie na mo send messages. We have messages ya. Me na for teacher for any me nwa na teacher for dia ba. Man ka bi ama. Me ka bi mamo. Me ya president. Asia, mon tena se ma de ne nsemwie. Mo tena se na de ne nsemwie no mo de ba adwuma ne yedin. As we speak now, the thing has gone through all the processes. It has gone through the friend is saying procurement process. And when we say me no mienu nyina ni say oba Ghana ha yen procurement act no kire say ade of national interest like this, you know, it has to go through competitive bidding. Nan crofo mra mamme bede. The same who raise concern say it was through so sourcing blah blah blah. Anti me he me nyamoden. Me ti he me nyamoden. So sourcing inti me nyaden. Ade na say awie. Eti de me ka kwa akosie nyina ne say Uye teacher ni na odwene na grat, odwene nat. Sa mo bosia no omde ma mo ntia, mo mpese mo beja ne bosia na ya hia. Se teacher ni ba. Eso ope bosia. Na mo ma teacher ni 300 and something Ghana cedis ya. Na eno no ye bosia na. Weska. Ah? Eska. Uye teacher ni. Na wakwa join nat, wakwa join na grat, wakwa join CCT. O kwa ko pe bosia. Yama wa boro so a 360 Ghana cedis. 360 Ghana cedis. We ni age. We not wa pom ntade. En wo mu yia musika di. Me busu ani bi ye bi kura nka maka sama kire no no pay. Teacher union so no enye correct. Munyai. Enjo kabonu gbogbogbogbogbogbo. Enkrofo ho. Nkofo ho. Na matua di so atua. A teacher form kwakora ne mmerwan ka do ma asem ye mobo keke. Wakọ no a ninka so teacher for no. Osuro omo ma kira de ayen kwakora ne mmerwa no musuro. Ene ye bu mu faso. Media no pedia me kan say men's gold e defrauded enkrofo 5,000 people. Na say men's gold ne ntia I am calling on the authority. Say 280,000 laptops so almost to the ama teacher for no. As we speak, you know, almost freezy pay slip. Almost pay slip no. Yes, almost freezy no. Almost blocky bebre pay slip no. Almost blocky bebre. And into more yes say mo so sama adwene mo no enya adwene bi mu no o ma block mo pay slip no me ka kire mo bre ni nyame adom na o mo on block mo a munyai na atene na grat no o mo nwene mo ho manu asi o mo nwene mo ho. And this issue and what's here twetwere ha ya I was some penifo do mo ho jim, and I am so happy say Matthew Opoku Prempe napo honorable ono so aba be yi ne ho ano. We are waiting for friend is Angel Kabonu and Lansing Philippa and Ali King Ali. Manu them a teacher for mo, you are seeking for your own interest. You are not seeking for the interest of your people. Munyai sa na emo. Afa teacher for no amonto so ye de ade yemo ya muntumi mi ma no nka musuro nipa no. And omampani akufu ado ka kire mo no. Uye teacher ni apadwuma foforo ka ho. Se ne teacher adwuma ni firi wonsa betimi anya adwuma foforo aye. Na ye ba watimi aka no kore. Na munyai sa yete glass mu aye ntoto bo no. Na we teacher license ya gifiri wonsa okoka no kore na ya gifiri wonsa ma na aye den. Brabi ensu ya mobile money ye. Ye nyina ye mobile money. Momo. E di be nti no me yeso me di levy ba ye ni abre. Omo begu ye company no. Momra me enye momo. Monka no kore. Enkrofo bi na gimusika dia we de o mafura ye. Wo teacher ni wa kira de a kira. Emfie aduonu ni akire ni ye. Uko 50 years. We need tro. We tia nat ne na gratuity we tia. Enye by force o tom. Munya ikuo no. Na momfa mo nko bobo insurance company. Na muntia na wuni wa senate de ya mo yere mo huntia. Na munya nat ne na gratuity no nkrofo na de ye om ho yie. Omo mumo kitikiti sei. Na anu se meet yom ko ye nsem anu omo ka. Me ka bi kire wo no ye member ye mbehye wo. Wo de tena ho.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. Citizens, not subjects. Responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
50 minutes and about pano nkro home mama kwan na monso metimi abo awura mu bi. Ya duru bra afei e na Ghana fo a wo monso so nyame ahira wo modi nyansa ne nimde ya adom mo no. This is the time I'm also some bum. Assemble na mo ba meka. And some of the abruburu bibiri no aso. Madwen kire. Yeah, build your money together. Udini baby akase free.
Boba seminar.
You run na shinti o.
Benankopo nsraw. Oh, Ghana yen 24 nche han. Agaba fo kan sem ya. Sabi na ado ni nyina fa na sumo. E to de din no. On sa saba bontin. Tado obi kodwuma ne tama fa ho afianse na aba bontin. Ta penifo ye hwan oboba men kasem bi kira o. School na mu ye cooking competition o dan no be di o menya overall best no.
across the school no Obuoba nsemu bi esi ho ma egusu a Obuoba bi gire fidie se ya hwe ni yi a na mo amuka bi a empenifo tiere mo ntu wana mo a abatan ye de nsa bebo yeyam adenti na meka sa SS phone call first year no 3 months of that kola bi wu school ho akola ni wu ye no it should be the school home so be ban call the team kola ni bi to say onu ni kun wo mo kun kola no
you're Nash. Yeah, nia o kan nyina raw case. Enti yenya abotre ohun na yewia se obefrɛ wa kire hɔ a na yeni nkomo hɔ ansa na ye de abam from am. Why? Medasi bebre 02019444850554 820910. Me pacho di ni bebe akase free.
Pacho reference me me kase free oda.
Boss yentio.
Obuoba Maakye any mutim adwumapa. Me de me kan in general. The me when say institutions in Ankasa na ewo Ghana ye man corrupt. Na say you betumi fight corruption here. This is the time and this is now we have to fight. The institution which said this the obodi say omu dupu ordinary teacher Sikaseya na by na so sorry no hwehwemu said the teacher nia obetina classroom ekom edi ayeduma beye mfie be di asa na sabi nipa beye nan atnase no ma fakoti kwan abo won po na sabi obi ye ja won dia na se nso se entosum pemu na so obi ko bia panche ba kwa ya man 5 years dia. Now, we call the government now to act because we have to fight the corruption.
Yenso yedase papa Ghana foguso ekasa onso ma yente onka. Omampani say we should be citizens, not spectators. It was so the other bani say fa chodin any baby akase free. Jadam for yentio.
And you my far, oh yeah. If I can so, no matter MC, Marvin, and they have insurance manager, and no one pala now. Unia, no credit, and no credit about Cope. Sisia, that is a one cast and no more cast. In fact, I had the arm to you. Now, I'm here, I say, a do baby, that convenient in buying. A pine, a moment to make the whole year. O amamu pay but the new man get to be so the same one as someone abandoned transit no mu kabomu no mu kasa na entertainer juma is there we are driver going to the area asaka where is there you throw a free and no benefit mu is there am to the petrol dominica and that do mo nkwaduma e ma omo ekwaduma enkoya juma e so man be risk bebre ahomate yes so mo say omunya potre na kugwado enye obia oye yenti obia na omunya potre na omune omonkata na ntase enye adwuma azantase enye adwuma Ghana be fa ntuma pa nso efra
okay Jenso yedase bebre and mame nka sa asem we nso sa asem ba na se ye ka ho asem a eya amunya hu bibi mo ntwen ma ne mde app ansa na mafre na a painty picture bi a kire Ghana for say omampani we de o kan asem che no tie aban we de o tie dipa masa asem na mfrika yen ne udi ni ba bi a wo ka se free a me ba udi ni ba ka se free
your friend of ya me ka se free atem aboabo asene
boss yentio
no me da se ya no pe ma mo ni adwuma ni ka o ka sa fa teacher for eni aban no de no ho isi sabri yesi mebuni ofe ho hyeku adwumam nti yeso ya yire ho ade ye ho hyeku adwumam ofe abasobode a ye de na ebinom obi aban adwuma oje scholarship obra wonye kokko adwuma obi di ne ho demand free eno unam wuram o kwa wa odi sika toduane di o ba odi sika toduane di o wa yire wo ma September October ye wura December ye kobronya 2 months ni pay abane sa onyentia esi sabri abane ntia man spray for ka mo so mo ya fa ya ho hyeku adwumam na ye gu nkrofo kokos na mo ntia ye kai
Now this Ghanaian politics, no. Now more person much a good for sign. It's maybe a master man is a buying to a car. Yes, when you bring ya, yes, we are the initial, and they are Bobby and Nancy and Papa Mount. I mean, my back to the Matua, you did, I am a metro baby.
Yes, so, yeah, that's a papa. And as a Debiana, a binary to keep populist stance. Or Mampany, the ni passemu, a buying radio, the passemu, Wabwa, or the Dada Mosaka. If I told you, maybe say free.
Hello, the same twice because it's like more than.
Mpacho you.
Therefore, yes, my income makes you more under the Mokano. But I'm mentioning you, name and before the aircon on behind that's the because we should care for don't move from measure the ACCC. They don't move our parliament. Campaign form which my school move my ears. Is here, to my move for no. The Mekoswa Saga Yetuma. Name of Yanka be said. To Banton, shall be able to release Chumufa. The Mupasi can call Gan Hadia. Then starting free a swan of Amla. Then call them penny for us. Yanka can be chum said. Some by your money here. Yes, said. To keep you on my person we about who about your Omanga or me the food.
What's all my kitchen then? What's I then?
Mr. Kiddy Tuga. Because even if you can't get too much to cry, because I'm going to one man, yeah, movie to my day. I'm going to one man, move their condition, to move for a year, blending your strategy, Manuel.
Yeah, that's CB Brim. If I show only last call, I would didn't be a free.
A family uncle, because that's what I'm about.
Mpacho into
about money, my power. Share a door for me, a dog and a door for you soon. Such a once in a about. Ya can't, and they seem to cook on the about after the Banagata. Let me just came or down, yet and Japan. Because you need young no more, yes, any blessing. Because Obuoba, yeah, blue, better send the blankata. I dare class on. Bye-bye.
Yeah, that's CB Brim. Hello.
Hello.
If I told you about a free. Ogidi Fayewie.
Okay, this very any order. Also, almost near Kai into Ghana, Nayade, or my Nayade, and Yanka and what some name would be able to no cut a Munyan for never Pocano.
Yane GPRTU Penibia and Kasaya will free or down. Yane Kasaya no national Kasama for the Maomo.
Aha. So, I know kind. Omunyan to one for never Pocano. Yes, none ever. And yes, oh, come. They would be a band, not by
okay.
No, but no, to my for never.
I say. Okay, and with Yahya near the ABC Yankopon Yadoma China, Yabesana Babetwa, so young fast dan koma Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yaboa Adwempa Yini Kofi Mensa Kwame Asante Kobike Ofreme Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Yankopon Yadoma China, Yabesana Babetwa, so Shon see you in yesu bemu to mini chair. Near Ko Ye Boyabaso the Uncle Ye Triabin so. Ya wanted that China Macrow.
Radio Papa Abozege. Thank you. Ebusianfo anapa no droba pa sema aduasan sama hodre ne ebetwa go ya kase abo hodro mo premto brede ya ne anumre no siade niti headlines ena mede eba no medi efia ampofo wa tie aswanfo no ena hwe awrekwa chansam so ede atudwa wo kire se planting for food and jobs na ya de abo papa ye eni ahodro keka ho se nanu ada farmers day no ena sanse bo nyina etwagu ye na akwapiam e wa chema na manse a ye se afidie bi asum ho na afidie asum nyina ye owu afidie foot bridge bo onum na se ne agodwo aye ne ehu pa adehia kire wo ma dwenti ye ne asam ni manso ebetwehwe ho enkomo adehia wo achem abuabo wonum assemblyman eni ono so akwa ya adoye watchdog team no wakoma raincoat maku du ehu enne ahodre keka ho no wo bete ewo ye kase bono emo sanso na yesese no ruka sami akoso wo fiefia hodro mu awade ase empena twie mu behu na be matam nensa emu dudurudru no ode abo ba se po no obi atamakumnya no ode abo ni kun se po domestic violence no yesi ade ne ho apple ba apo ya de betu ye phone so se no ye nim se ne ye be ye no Ghana for a kire wo ma dwen afa ho sanso ena akopie mu dance South District ne mo a ena no ada farmers dey course no ba besia ena wini best farmer eni akeka ho no so ye de beba wo kopiem enwa chimbompa ya adehye ho no mu eda MCE eni mpanifo bi omo boaye ma mo so covet bi omo so mbesi omo so wo ma sen mo asie wie na covet na fe eno so aboaye papa panti ehwo aseda no so ene ahodre keka ho no obete sanso na road safety campaign na bi ono so ede afutu sam akọ ede ama ashenka 42 abra ya pinche bronya brei sanso ena Ghana ha say yase kan say Omicron virus no ya recorded 2 cases na Ghana fo bi so mu yema hwo papa bronya bre mu ni Omicron yi amu yamu crash wonum eni akeka ho no ye de bebo na sese no nim se Brim Central Municipal Assembly ni mo no ye nya ne ntese meters bi ba se eba se embe biem ye bepe update ewo ho nti ya ne presiding member ewo Brim Central Municipal Assembly ni mo wetwetwe nkomo sanso na nadua yi eni omanga na nchuo ni zigizagam a drivers fo nyina te atua wonum ye wom ate ho wom so mo ntwika no nti eni awufiri agokofo dua wom tete wonum tete wom to so ha mo se ni oma nkwa yi Ghana ha se nti wom etempenten kwa aye strike eni ye ka ho eni ye bekọ Brim Central Municipal Assembly ye bekọ nkran ye bekọ miamia hodro bi strike nsa ni drivers fo ne ye no ye de ho ama ne bo nyina beba abesom ye kase bo ahodro mu nti ene ensama ahodro bekọ so ni ti premto bre kase bo mu ne anumre no nsiade mo ena mede asomo midin afia ampofo wa medase
Screening. Amaje Herbal Clinic.